So this vessel, formerly known as Sea Bucket, is no longer Sea Bucket. Today we come to name this lady Seaking Sirens and send her to sea to be cared for and to care for the crew and family of Coronado Brewing Company.
73 men sailed up from the San Francisco Bay, rolled off of their ship, and here's what they had to say. We're calling everyone to ride along to another shore.